With no mountains and their southerly position, they get very little rain. And they are also exposed to strong, dry trade winds blowing across the Caribbean Sea. The wind is so strong here that trees like these divvies all tilt one way. Candelabra cacti deal with lack of water by storing it in their stems, while Turk's head cacti have roots several meters long. Turk's head fruit is a real treasure for a blue whiptail lizard. It's first come, first served. Tempers can get spiky when there's not enough to go around. All kinds of birds rely on fruiting cacti too. Orioles. But they've got competition. These yellow-shouldered parrots live only on the ABC Islands. Mockingbirds are also fruit lovers. The cactus fruit contains some moisture, but a proper drink is hard to find. So a freshwater spring is like a gold mine. Common ground doves flock to quench their thirst. And it's the only place a green iguana can cool off.